Hey, future programmers! Want to learn Python but don't have a laptop? No worries. Here is how to write your first interactive program using just your smartphone with Pydroid 3. Stay with me. Pydroid 3 is a free mobile app that lets you write and run Python code right from your Android phone. Just install it from the Play Store and let's start coding. Open Pydroid 3 and let's write a mini project that talks to your TikTok and YouTube. I'll write the code we'll be using here. I'll first write the code and then explain each line of the code for better clarity. Let's get started. Okay, if you look, you can see we have some functions here and variables. The print function, the variable, TikTok names, and the YouTube name that holds an input where we need to ask each user what their TikTok handle or TikTok or YouTube channel. Okay, so the print function is a function that tells Python to display something on the screen. Here, it displays the classic greetings. Hello, programmer. Then, the input function is another built-in function. It waits for the user to type something like your TikTok handle or YouTube channel and hit enter. Then, the text inside the input function is prompt. That is, the prompt message in the parentheses. Enter your TikTok handle and enter your YouTube channel in the separate lines of code. Okay, this is shown to guide the user. Then we store what the user types in variables like TikTok underscore name and the YouTube underscore name. And variable is like a rebel bus where Python temporarily stores data. In this case, your names. Then we use print function again to say hello using those names. Let's run the code and see what the output looks like. Okay, as you can see, we have our first greeting, hello programmer, because that's the first thing we want Python to print to us. Then the second is an input that we want to use to get the information we want. In this case, we want to know what our user, let's assume this is an app that we just built, and they want to know what maybe you need to sign in or sign up or register for something. Then we need to know what your TikTok handle is, and if as a user I will type in my TikTok handle. Then if I click enter, you say hello inside Coda. It greets me, right? Then the next question is say what is your YouTube channel? And as a user, I will type in my YouTube channel 360 Code Camp. Then I will hit enter again, say hello 360 Code Camp. And that's it. You just created your first interactive Python program right on your smartphone. Congratulations. Follow Inside Coder on TikTok for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials using Python, AI, data, and tech tips, all from your mobile device. And don't forget to subscribe to 360 Code Camp on YouTube for your full tutorials on project.